following video is a demonstration of the Fatal Vision marijuana simulation experience ball toss activity. Use this activity to model and demonstrate impaired motor coordination, reaction time, and distortion of information and perception. Participants follow the simple activity instructions without the use of the Fatal Vision marijuana goggles. They will catch the black-colored balls and avoid or sidestep the orange and red-colored balls. The purpose is to demonstrate the participant's ability to perceive a situation and then react correctly to the task. The participant performs the task again, this time wearing the marijuana goggles. The participant will struggle to discern and react to the colored balls correctly. Engage your participants in a discussion about the negative impact of marijuana and THC impairment on a person's performance in the workplace, at school, behind the wheel, and at home. This demonstration also serves as a great conversation starter about substance abuse. For more information, visit our website at fatalvision.com or call us at 1-800-272-5023.